Hi, welcome to the Clarington Vaccination Clinic. My name is Darshani. I'm a public health nurse working for the Durham Region Health Department. When you begin your day at our vaccine clinic, you'll meet an ambassador who will provide you with our roadmap. Our roadmap is divided into two sections, one for the first dose and one for the second dose. And each time that you go through one of our stations, you'll be given a sticker to mark that you've completed that station. Welcome to the first step of our roadmap, the screening section. They'll just ask you a few questions about how you're feeling, just making sure to complete a quick COVID screening. And then once you're done, they'll double check to see that your appointment is booked and confirmed. So let's follow these printed arrows located throughout the clinic, and just remember to use hand sanitizer throughout. So welcome to check-in. They'll probably ask you questions about what your name is, your date of birth. They'll ask to see your photo ID, and then they'll check you in. So when it's our turn to get vaccinated, we'll wait for one of the nurses to put up their green availability sign to show us that they're ready for us to get vaccinated. If you feel uncomfortable or if you feel like you need more privacy, just let your immunizing nurse know, and they can recommend that you go get your vaccine done in a private room, or you can get your vaccine done in one of our recovery tents. So once you're seated in the immunization chair, the nurse will go over some questions about your health just to make sure that it's safe and that you're eligible to receive the vaccine. And in the meantime, when you're getting ready to get your vaccine, just make sure that you're relaxed, calm. Just make sure that your arm's loose, kind of like a spaghetti, right? And then if you need anything to help distract you while you're getting your vaccine, we have little poppets here that have been cleaned and disinfected between uses. And then once you're done with your vaccine, the nurse will give you a sticky note with your recovery time of either 15 to 30 minutes, depending on whether or not you have any allergies, for you to go into the recovery area, okay? Once you're done, you get a sticker. So welcome to our recovery area. You have the choice of choosing to have a seat in one of our chairs or to have a seat on one of our lovely mats. Now that you're in the recovery area, the hardest part is done. So now it's time for you to sit down, relax, enjoy some games, or enjoy some of the programs that we have playing in the background. We have a healthcare provider walking around observing, just making sure that you're feeling okay and that you're feeling safe. Once you're done your 15 minutes to 30 minutes, remember to leave your sticky note on the back of your chair so that we have someone to come by to sanitize the area once you're done. All right, so we made it to checkout. We're all done. How are you feeling?
Good.
Good? It's wonderful. So at checkout, they'll be providing you with your vaccine receipt to show you proof that you got your vaccine today. You can give them your roadmap and they'll put your final sticker on, and then a friendly reminder saying when your next appointment will be. To prepare your child before they get their COVID-19 vaccine, please head to the durham.ca/COVID vaccines website to access the card tool. It's basically a tool to help your child feel more relaxed and more calm before getting their vaccine. The nurses at our center would also be implementing this tool when they're vaccinating your child.